So this is my code for my login that I'm going to be reusing in C Sharp. First of all, we have the code for form 1. Here we have a login button. What it's going to do is it's going to take the username and password from what the user has entered, and I'm going to show you shortly. In class 1, it has a global username and a global password that we're going to be comparing to. So if username is correct, it will check if password is correct, and then if those are both the correct, it will change the global ID, meaning to show that the user is logged in, and then it will open in the logged in form. Otherwise, it will show a message box, first of all showing if it's a wrong password and then showing if it's a wrong username. Obviously, in a real world use, it wouldn't show if it's a wrong password or username, but for testing purposes, it is here. Now, if we press a change password, what it's going to do is it's going to take the new password that we've entered in, and it's going to go to class 1 and change up the password there, and then it's going to show a message box of whatever the new password is. Then we have a clear var button. Essentially, that acts as a logout button. It will change the global ID to X to show that the user is not logged in. And then we have a form 2 button, which will just attempt to open the logged in form. Okay, here we have class 1. First of all, global username, global password, and global ID. This will be found, you can retrieve this from any form, and we can see essentially functions of global username. It will, if we want the global username, it will get, so we'll return the global username, otherwise it will set, and it's the same for password and ID. Now here running the program, we can see that if we try and log in, or just check in the login, we have this login, and then 1234 as a password. And if we press login, we can see that it will show us our username, and it will say that we're logged in. If we press form 2, it does the exact same function. Now if we press clear var, it's a logout button. So if we press form 2, it will say that we have no login. Here we're putting in the wrong password. And here we're going to attempt to put in the wrong username. It doesn't come up. Here is changing the password. If we change it to hello, it will come up saying the new password is hello. And here if we try to log in without the new password, it will let us in.